Okay, John, about 2 weeks worth of driving we've done, and the groaning has kind of gone back to what it sounded like originally.
I wouldn't call it originally, but it's to the point where it's left only on the left side, but it doesn't seem to be improving from that. So there is another procedure we can do to flush it even further. Part of it might be that we're not reaching the furthest point of the steering rack. But also too, our friend Craig came up with some ideas to check the bushings, which I never really did look at the bushings and so forth. I was more so convinced that it's coming from either the power steering pump or the steering rack.
So thanks, Craig, for the suggestion. That's what we're going to do right now, right, John?
Yeah, I'm going to go under and we'll just see if I can view anything. That can be tricky too sometimes.
Hey everybody, it's Marguerite here to give you the final diagnosis, and shout out to Craig. You were absolutely right. It ended up being the left tie rod. And John would be here himself to give you a shout out and give you some props, but he has been working crazy hours. So I figured I will just finish up this video and let everybody know. And so how we figured that out, believe it or not, comes with a little bit of a crazy story. I was almost in a car accident because somebody decided to make a left turn from a right turning lane, and they did it right in front of me, and I had to slam on my brakes. And in slamming on my brakes, not to kill this person, I actually destroyed my brakes. And so John was so busy that he didn't have time to actually fix my brakes, and I need my car for work. So I brought it to our mechanic, and I told him while he was fixing the brakes if he could look into what's going on with the power steering so we could just finish that once and for all. And believe it or not, there was even arguments in that mechanic shop. One mechanic thought it was actually the steering column making the noise, and the other mechanic was like, I don't think so. I think it's coming from below. And when they put it on the lift, sure enough, it was the left tie rod. So all this to say, thank you, Craig, for being such a great follower and always providing your feedback and your perspective. This is actually what we're looking for. We're looking to build a community where we're all helping each other, because there is no one person who's right all the time. We certainly are not. Like I said, we are DIY duo. We've got full-time jobs. We're just trying to take care of whatever we can on our own just to save money. And it doesn't mean that the way that we're doing something is the right or the only way to do it. So please feel free to leave comments, suggestions. How did you do something? Did you do it differently? Did it work better? That's what this channel is all about. It's not about us. It's about just helping people take care of things and, gaining the confidence to fix what they think they can fix and what they feel comfortable fixing for less money. So again, shout out Craig. Thanks for everything. You were right. And can't wait for you to be right in the next video, because there's plenty of other things wrong with our cars that we're going to have to get to eventually.